You know, there are a number of reasons Christopher Redondo has had at least 8 different attorneys and been seen by roughly a dozen psychologists and psychiatrists to determine whether or not he's competent to stand trial. Throw in the fact prosecutors are seeking the death penalty, and that slowed down the legal process even more. It's been a long, painful journey for the family of Gilbert Police Lieutenant Eric Shoehandler. Shoehandler was killed in the line of duty January 28, 2010, when he was shot during a traffic stop near Val Vista and Baseline Road in Gilbert. 44-year-old Christopher Redondo is the man detectives say pulled the trigger, but he's never been convicted of the killing because his case has never gone to trial. Until now. Redondo's murder trial gets underway this week in Phoenix.
My husband was killed in the line of duty 10 years ago.
Angela Harrell is president of the 100 Club of Arizona and knows the pain of losing a loved one. But the thought of Shoehandler's family sitting through a murder trial 9 years later will be heartbreaking.
I can't imagine a greater challenge. You're looking at the person that took your life that was once whole, and now it's in pieces, and you've spent so many years putting that back together, and now you have to look at that individual again, hoping that the court is they're going to side with you and your family, and these people will pay for the acts that they've done.
One of the accomplices in the murder, Damian Irizarry, has already been sentenced to life in prison for driving the getaway car and leading police on a 50-mile high-speed chase after Shoehandler was shot. But getting Redondo's case to court has taken longer because of questions about his competency and the fact prosecutors are seeking the death penalty.
Then you got a death penalty phase.
Phoenix criminal defense attorney Dwayne Cates tells us when it takes this long for a case to get to trial, it presents a number of challenges.
You can have witnesses die, you can have police officers retire, get killed, move. I mean, you never know if the same set of witnesses that you started with, that you'll have them at the end when a case gets this old.
Legal experts tell me that when cases like this are delayed this long, it often favors the defendants, but the feeling here is that there is enough evidence to get a conviction. The big question in this case is Redondo's competency and whether or not that will be an issue during the trial or after it's over. Reporting live in downtown Phoenix, Jason Berry for Arizona's Family.